everyone! I met Kobe and Gigi less than 3 days before they passed, so when I heard what happened, I was in disbelief. I heard fans created a memorial site at the site of the accident, so I wanted to pay my tribute. A dog park is at the bottom of the trail that leads to the accident site. I found many dog owners playing with their dogs on a beautiful afternoon. It's hard to imagine that in the mountains in the background that such a tragic accident happened a little over a year ago. I headed up Bark Park Trail. The scenery along the way was gorgeous. When I arrived, I was happy to see that there are other people who had made the journey uphill.
If the helicopter would have been about 20 feet higher, it would have cleared this mountain. It's a beautiful place. The helicopter was following the 101 freeway, so right there. And it started climbing from 1,500 feet to 2,300 feet between Las Virgenes and Lost Hills Road. It began a left turn, and 8 seconds later, it started coming down and still turning left.
There's just no way anyone could have survived an impact this big.
It's huge.
People have been leaving flowers in the crater, which means people still care and remember the victims.
So the helicopter hit on its left side. The tail rotor was found down here where the makeshift memorial is, but the cabin and part of the tail was found over this hill on the other side. And these rotor blades up here were found scattered all across the hill up here. The tail rotor blade cut into this hillside. See, clean cut right there. Main rotor was strewn all across here in a 50-foot length range. And over here, where you see disturbance in the hillside, that's where the main cabin and the tail were found lying.
You can still see the fire damage to the vegetation. I read that Kobe was found south of the wreckage, so that would be in this area. The scenery nearby is so breathtaking that it's hard to comprehend how such a terrible tragedy could take place in a location so beautiful and peaceful. This is north of the wreckage, and if you look to my left-hand side, you'll see that the ravine in the hill is pretty steep, and some of the remains of the helicopter went down there. I read that Gigi was found lying in the vegetated covered ravine approximately 100 yards north of the wreckage, so that would be in this area.
The wreckage is up there, going downhill.